how to fix Roblox Error Code 600. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if you get Roblox Error Code 600 when trying to join a game. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. This error usually shows a message like, you use an account to avoid enforcement taken against another account. But what does that really mean? If you can join other games just fine, but see this error in only one specific game, then it's likely that you or someone in your home, like a sibling, got banned from that game. For example, try joining the Escape Papa Pizza game and see if it gives you the same error. Now, if you've never used cheats, exploits, or scripts, and you're sure you haven't broken any rules, this could be a mistake. Here's what you can do. Find the game page where the error happens. Scroll down to the By Game Developer section. Present to the developer's profile and send them a respectful message explaining the issue and asking for help to regain access. Make sure to mention you're seeing error code 600 and that you think it might be linked to a mistaken enforcement. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Roblox fixes. That's all for the video.